Hey everyone, in this video we'll uncover the most 9 common techniques that hackers use to break into passwords and put your security at risk. So let's get into it. The technique number 1 is the brute force attacks. Brute force attacks involve systematically trying every possible combination of characters until the correct password is found. While this technique is time consuming, this method can be very effective against the weak passwords. Technique number 2 is the dictionary attacks. In the dictionary attack, hackers used a predefined list of common words and phrases to guess the passwords. This method is particularly effective against users who use simple, everyday words as passwords. The technique number 3 is the phishing attacks. Phishing attacks is very common nowadays. Phishing involves tricking users into revealing their passwords through fake websites or emails that appear to be legitimate. This social engineering tactic preys on users' trust and lack of awareness. The technique number 4 is the key logging. Keyloggers are malicious programs that record every keystroke made on the device, including passwords. Once installed, they can silently capture sensitive information without the user's knowledge. The technique number 5 is the rainbow table attacks. Rainbow table attacks are pre-computed tables to reverse cryptographic hash functions, allowing the hackers to crack hashed passwords more quickly than traditional brute force methods. The technique number 6 is the credential stuffing. These attack methods use stolen username and passwords combination from one service to attempt logins on another platforms, exploiting users who reuse passwords across multiple of accounts. The technique number 7 is the man-in-the-middle attacks. In the man-in-the-middle attacks, hackers intercept communication between two parties, potentially capturing passwords and other sensitive data in transit. This occurs on the unsecured Wi-Fi networks or maybe the unsecured protocols like FTP, Telnet, HTTP, or through compromised routers. The technique number 8 is the password spraying. Password spraying is a variation of brute force attacks where attackers use a small list of common passwords against many different accounts. This method helps avoid account lockouts while still potentially compromising weak passwords. The last but not least is number 9, social engineering. Social engineering attacks involve manipulating people into revealing their passwords or other sensitive information. This can include impersonations, pretexting, or exploiting personal relationships to gain trust and access. From the cybersecurity perspective, understanding these attack methods is crucial for enhancing your online security. If you are interested to know the difference between the red team, penetration testing team, and the blue team, make sure to watch the video over there. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest cybersecurity content. Thanks for watching and stay safe online. See ya!